OMG. Did you hear that Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez went to a private cruise ship? They even had sex, and Justin is only 16 and she is 18. Oh wow, teenagers.
Yes, I did hear. And their parents don't even know about it. We didn't even do that when we were teenagers.
My daughter really loved him, but since she noticed him doing that she was like, I can't believe he did that to me. I so don't fucking like him anymore.
Ah, that's too sad. Because he hurted his fans' feelings, let's destroy him.
Okay, how about on this Saturday we go to Hollywood and check his address and we fucking beat him up there?
Or if it doesn't work, we could go to his concert, wait till the concert is over, follow him, and beat him up there.
Okay then, bye.
Bye.